Welcome students in your general knowledge class. I wish all my champs a very happy day. Yes students, we are continuing with unit 3 world around and today is the turn of page number 43. You know that we have reached the concluding part of unit 3. Now we have to do test your wisdom. And this is the exercise, this is the chapter based on all the exercises that we have done in our previous chapters. So here we are. At first, read the following and tick the correct answer. Now we have to tick the correct answer. At first, flightless bird which is a long beak with a long beak is the national emblem of. अब बेटा national emblem हमें find out करना है. ऐसा bird है जो उड़ नहीं सकता और जिसकी जो beak है, जो चोंच है वो बहुत लंबी है. And that bird is, recognize it, kiwi. Yes बच्चे. Australia, Canada and New Zealand, of course it relates to New Zealand. At number 2, जॉर्ज वाशिंगटन वॉज द फर्स्ट प्रेजिडेंट ऑफ. बेटा जॉर्ज वाशिंगटन सबसे पहले प्रेजिडेंट थे कौन सी कंट्री के? इट इज़ द कंट्री इज यूएसए. ओके, जस्ट कीप इट इन माइंड दैट द फर्स्ट ब्लैंक इज हेयर, the second is here and the third one is here. Okay, so don't get confused here. At 3, river Danube flows through Hungary. We know it, we have read. And what are Bentus, Finnus and Lapps? So these are the tribes. These are the tribes. ये बेटा जातियाँ जनजातियाँ जो होती हैं ना, these are. Ashoka was the emperor of. Ashoka कहाँ के emperor थे? None other than India. It's our own country, India. At number 2, encircle the odd one out. We have to encircle the odd one out. Seen, Irrawaddy, Eskimos and Hudson. Eskimo is the odd one because all the others are name of the rivers. So we will go with Eskimos. Next is Cleopatra, Ashok, Marco Polo or Alexander. We know that Marco Polo is the odd one because it is not a name of the ruler. The rest are the name of the rulers. Egypt, Kenya, Chile and Ghana. We know that Chile is not a African country. The rest are African countries. Next is Peso, Dinar, Franc and Pravda. These are the name of the currencies and Pravda is the odd one out. Paris, London, Toronto are the name of the cities and we know that Brazil is the name of the country. So this is the odd one out. Now we have to write the name of each group to which these names are related. First is Canada, Nepal and China. These are the names of the countries. Next is beta Dawn al-Tahrir. La Croix is the name of the newspaper. Next is wheat, rice, sugarcane, name of the, we know it well, that name of the crops. And next is franc, pound, dollar, name of the currencies, we know it. And next is Sherpas, Pygmies, Red Indians are the name of the tribes. Okay students, let's come at page number 44 and here we are having true or false. At number 1, Pravda is the popular newspaper of Japan. बेटा Pravda newspaper है जापान का. This statement is absolutely false. At number 2, Hitler hated Jews. Hitler को Jews से hate थी बहुत ज़्यादा. Of course बेटा true. He drew him out of his country. आपको याद होगा. Next is Lily is the national emblem of Denmark. No, it's the false statement. And next is America is known as the land of golden fleece. It's again false. And at number 5, rice is the staple food of Indonesia. Of course beta true, because rice is the most popular staple food around the world. Yes bache, among all the people around the world, you know it well. At number 5, answer the following questions. What 4-letter currency is common in Europe? बेटा यूरोप में कौन सी करेंसी कॉमन है? That is euro. Okay. And at number 2, which institution controls the monetary policy of Indian rupee? And that is RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Okay. Next is what is the currency of Vietnam? Vietnam की currency क्या है? That is dong. And at number 4, name one place in India where currency notes are printed. बेटा जहाँ पर करेंसी नोट प्रिंट किए जाते हैं, द नेम ऑफ द कंट्री इज नासिक. ओके. एंड एट नंबर 5, विच इज द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव करेंसी? दैट इज पाउंड. पाउंड इज द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव करेंसी. ओके. Next is complete the following with the correct information. You have to fill in the blanks. The country having maximum number of people living in it, China. Number 1 place पे है ना China world population में. The temperature drops at 129 degrees Celsius at Vostok station, which is the coldest place on the earth. Of course जब temperature इतना आ जाएगा 129 degrees Celsius, the coldest place it will be. Next is the wettest place on the earth is Mount Whale in the Hawaii Island, having an average rainfall of 13,000 millimeter. Okay, wettest place that is why. Next is Hindustani language is spoken by approximately कितने people के द्वारा 497 million people in the world. We should be proud of this fact. Okay, next is the earliest paper money was the invention of Chinese. Okay students, this is again the very knowledge gaining chapter, and I hope you enjoy it well. Go through it again. Thank you students. Good.